This 2026 Jayco North.382 FLRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco North.382 FLRB is 15,947 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.